Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video in my moving series here on my channel. Today you guys are going to see a house tour of our brand new house in Texas. Me and my husband are flying down there for a few days to close on our house and get some more things taken care of before we take our entire family down there for the next 3 years. So if you guys are ready for this video, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so we are here at the new house and I'm going to give you guys a little house tour. We just did a walkthrough and we're going to close in a couple of days. So here we go. So here's our front door and I think it's like a 10-foot door, and we actually really like this door. We have an area right here to put chairs, and then our house comes with the Ring doorbell system. Alright, so when you first walk in, you see, excuse the echo, this is like a dining room, but we're going to make it into our office, and we're going to change this light out right here. The entryway is really wide and open. Even the ceilings here in the entryway are super tall, and I love all the colors that they chose for this house. We chose it as is, it's brand new. So you're going to come through and you turn here, and we have a powder room. And you're going to notice all of the walls in our house, and they say a lot in Texas, I guess, are all textured. And I actually really love this. The color is called Agreeable Gray. We're going to be changing out this mirror sometime in the future. And then you come out, and then you have like a coat closet here. And then this is the laundry room. Cabinets in the laundry room, which we are going to probably get painted. And in the laundry room is a really big random storage closet, but this is great because we're probably going to store like all of our Christmas boxes and things like that in here. And then you come here, and then this is like a mud area, and then we have our garage, which is a really nice size garage. It's like a smart home apparently, where you get the app on your phone and you can control pretty much your whole house. When you download the app, you can control your garage door, your lights, the temperature, and things like that. Okay, so then you come into the kitchen, and this is what it looks like. I actually really like the openness of this house, or the downstairs. And I love the kitchen, but we are gonna have a professional come out to paint our cabinets. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, no, don't paint them, but we're definitely gonna paint them because of the color scheme of the house. All of the colors that were chosen for this house, they're so pretty. And I really do love the brown cabinets, but I feel like white cabinets will look a little bit better in here. We still have to buy a fridge, and I love the frosted glass door on the pantry. Here's our pantry, and I love these shelves. Like, I don't like those wire shelves. We've been having, every house that we've moved into has those wire shelves. So many things in my Amazon cart that I need to buy to organize my pantry. And the quartz countertops are so pretty and shiny, and the gas cooktop is a must for us. Some glass doors in some of the cabinets. So over here, you guys are gonna see our dining room or dining area, like our little eat-in kitchen area. This is where we're going to put our table. We do have a table in mind that we want to get. I have 2 pendants that I want to put here over the table, and I do want to replace these 3 lights right here with some really pretty pendants too. I get to put my bar stools here. So like I told you guys before, it's a smart home, so everything that you need to know is on this thing right here. And then here's the master. It's like a small bay window right here. And I'm probably gonna put our bed right here, and maybe like a chair or something over here. We have double doors right here to go into our bathroom and closet. So the bathroom is really simple, but it's really pretty. I love the colors. Again, I might keep these brown cabinets in here, I don't know. Tub, shower, it's enough space in here. I don't need a lot of space in my bathroom, but I like it. Then we have like a toilet room in here. And then this is our closet. You guys, look at how tall these ceilings are. Super, super tall. All of the windows in this house are cordless, so there's no cords hanging down, which is really, really dangerous for kids. I'm really happy about that. So you just turn these to close them, but then if you want to raise them, you just kind of push them up any height you want and they stay. Kind of like shades. So that's how our cord-free blinds work. You guys are gonna see a lot of cleaning videos in here. All right, so here's the back patio. It's a covered patio. We're gonna get a fan to go here. And this is actually bigger in person than what it looked like through the video that was sent to us. So we're definitely gonna have enough space here to fit our table and chairs. And then we have a nice size backyard. Look, we're gonna look into getting this leveled out because there's a slight slope, but at least the kids can come back here and run. One look of the downstairs area, and that's the front door. Okay, so let's go upstairs. The first thing you see is this door, and it's a massive storage room. So you can do whatever you want in it, and the ceilings are super tall. Definitely bigger than what I thought it was gonna look like. We don't know exactly what we're gonna do with this space. The builder told us that it was supposed to be no floor in here, pretty much just like wood panels, and it wasn't supposed to be finished, but they went ahead and finished it off, put a light in there, carpet, so we don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. So you go in here, and then there's more storage in that little door. So yeah, come into here. This is probably gonna be the boys' room. We are definitely thinking of letting them have separate rooms. They have a nice little walk-in closet. So for right now, they're gonna share rooms, and this will just be either a playroom or just another guest bedroom. And here is another walk-in closet. All the rooms in this house have walk-in closets, which is really nice. So here's the guest bathroom. Tall ceilings. There's gray floors, same cabinets throughout the whole house. And then this is a linen closet. And then you walk in here, and this is like a bonus area, I guess. We're probably gonna use this as like a media room, and we're already thinking about having a projector up on the ceiling and the screen right here. So we're gonna have kind of like a movie room. There's another huge storage area up there. It's a ladder that pulls down. And then right off of that bonus room, another bedroom, and this will probably be the guest bedroom. Really, really tall ceilings, pretty textured walls, nice window, and another walk-in closet. So lots of storage. It's just enough space for me and my family. This is not our final home, so we're definitely happy with this house. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put curtains up right here or leave it like that. Tell me what you guys think. Should I put curtains above these 3 windows? How pretty is this gonna be during Christmas time with the garland up the stair rail? I cannot wait. think this is the house. You guys all been waiting for a little house tour. I hope I got everything. I think I did. We have a lot of little things that we do want to do to the house, as far as putting really pretty lighting in, just minor things that we want to change. Paint color, lighting, light fixtures, things like that. Nothing major. The only major thing probably is our backyard. We want to level the backyard out, but that'll be it. So yeah. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little house tour of our brand new home. You guys are gonna see so much more of this house in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed today's video, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.